Is it safe to mix stage 1 baby food with my baby's formula? Mixing stage 1 baby food with formula is not only safe, it's a very smart way to begin transitioning your baby to eating solid foods. In fact, in countries like France, where palate development is considered a high priority, adding veggie flavoring to a baby's bottle in the weeks and months before weaning is quite common. By tradition in the US, bland-tasting cereals are generally babies' first food. This is a lost opportunity for early palate development. In a study led by Dr. Marion Hetherington at the University of Leeds in the UK, it was found that when babies were fed a rotation of vegetable flavors slowly added to milk before weaning them to solid foods, those babies ate more vegetables, ate them faster, and enjoyed them more than those babies who did not have vegetable flavors introduced in this way. In practicing this form of complementary feeding, begin adding a little vegetable puree or veggie stage 1 baby food, first to breast milk or formula once daily for a couple weeks, 1 to 3 puree to milk, then up the puree a little, 1 to 1 puree to milk, for the next couple weeks. Then move to 100% puree. The vegetables you may want to try in the rotation are carrots, green beans, spinach, and broccoli. If you choose to give it a go, it's important to remember that the American Academy of Pediatrics (AAP) recommends that you not start solid foods, even purees, before the age of 4 months. The app also states that your baby should continue to rely on breast milk or formula, or a combo, for nutrition until the age of 1 year old. But, slowly adding small amounts of stage 1 baby food, or preferably homemade veggie purees, to your baby's regular milk is an effective way to help develop your baby's so she likes and prefers a wide range of healthy foods upon weaning and later in life.